All right, everyone. Activity 3, you're going to dive into some reading. Now, even if you read part of this already in the solo, you're going to read it again. You're going to go ahead and follow along. It's only a little over 3 minutes to read this section. And while you're reading, remember, we are looking for clues and details. You're investigators. So, what inferences can you make based on the clues that we're thinking and reading about? So, you're reading along with these paragraphs, and you need to find 2 details in the text that stood out to you and helped make a picture, a vivid picture, something that you imagined clearly about what yellow fever is, what it's causing, that kind of thing. So, at least 2 details that you're going to highlight. And if you need to take notes on them to explain your inference, this makes me think, you can do that because that's only going to further develop your understanding of your details. On card 2, we've got some ideas about what brings a topic, an idea to life. So when writers are doing a great job um, describing, helping the reader visualize and understand, they do these 5 things. So they describe with sensory details to really make that image pop in the reader's head. The story is interesting. There's a conflict, there's a problem that the characters are trying to solve or the people are trying to solve. Um, there are words or phrases that lock in the reader that make them think, oh, this is the way this is, right? Maybe it's, in this case, the description of how many people passed away, the vivid descriptions of maybe the effect it's having, the virus's effect it's having on people, facts and numbers, and then quotations. Quotations are going to be not just what somebody says, but who is the person that said it? Are they an important person, or is it a person that's just part of a community? Who is this person, and what is their relevance, and how does it make you think differently about this topic? So, we're going to reflect on what we read, and you're going to do some matching. This matching, you're going to drag and drop from down here. So if you think A goes here, C goes here, B goes here, etc., you're going to choose which letter goes with descriptive or sensory details, which letter goes with a story that captures your attention. So these are all examples that you're going to drag and drop into the place that you think they fit best. Activity 3, or sorry, card 3. As we reflect on those writing techniques, we've got them again listed right here. You are going to copy and paste one of the pieces you highlighted that grabbed your attention. So if you highlighted this part, you're going to copy and paste that over here. And then you're going to decide what technique from these 5 up here is the author using to bring it to life, to make me see it very clearly in my head, for me to visualize it and have a good understanding of it. So which one of these 5 is my evidence? And you got your drop-down menu right here. Anecdote is just a story. And then what idea or impression do you get about yellow fever from what you highlighted? So that's just saying, what do you understand about yellow fever based on what stood out to you that you highlighted? Use a complete sentence, please.